Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra.
And this is Dr. Govind Rai Garg.
Goga Bhai, and I have come here to tell you about the plans that we are launching in 2024, and we are here to talk about the pre-launch offer. Sir.
So we are planning to start the pre-booking. So these packs will be activated from 15th of January. And as last year, there will be huge discounts on these plans, and these will be a single time offer. So this price will not come again ever.
So basically, this word mission is a word that came with Cerebellum as a mission that your course our responsibility, because Cerebellum is an institute for the students by the teachers. So this came that people were seeing recorded lectures, but somehow they were lacking how to revise them, how to read them, how to follow it. And that is what Cerebellum created a difference. So this word came as a mission, right? Like a soldier on the border, we are there to guard you. We are there as teachers to support you while studying. So mission word was possibly in the initial phase was used for live lectures, but this year we will start the same word as the students have loved it. Cerebellum is synonymous with the word mission now. So Mission NEET PG slash INICET, because we are preparing you for this 2.0. Why 2.0? Because this is the second year of Cerebellum.
The premium plan.
So this is the premium plan. So are we having two different things? No, we are having everything at one place, single plan for everything that you need to prepare for NEET PG and INICET. So as Gogavai clearly said, the offer that we have right now is not going to come back, right? So it is one time launch offer, and this pack is going to get activated from 15th of January, because that's the time we kick off with starting our first live session. So what exactly is this plan composed of? क्या क्या होगा इसके अंदर? So sir, इसके अंदर आप क्या क्या देंगे?
So there will be several things. The most important one will be the recorded lectures. All 19 subjects recorded lectures in English as well as English. Plus there will be quick revision videos. Again in English and English. And again, disclaimer that medicine will be only in English, right? Because we were not able to teach Dr. Dilip Hindi in this 1 year of time. Maybe next year, let's see.
Right. And the recorded lectures of BTR.
Plus BTR.
So complete. This is your complete content in terms of video that's available for you when we launch on 15th of January. Right, sir? So you have named it as mission program, right?
Yes.
So I'm sure that you're going to make sure that the students every day sit with you for the live classes.
Definitely.
So you are going to have the mission live classes starting from 15 January, and that's the time when the program gets activated, sir.
Yeah.
This is how it goes?
Yes. And in the mission, there will be live lectures throughout the year. So they will be structured, and there will be several revision lectures also. Currently, we are saying them as NEET Marathon, INICET Marathon. So everything will be included. So mission will be a live lecture program, online live lecture program.
Right. So we will have these live lectures, and when the exams come, so we will have revision lectures by our 19 faculties along with synchronized BTR sessions to help you revise. So this is what is going to be there in terms of the lectures. So sir, in the app, right, when we look at the notes, in-app notes, so we talk about the in-app notes. So in-app notes, one will be for all the lectures which are there.
The recorded lectures, their notes will be there along with the videos.
So there will be all the lecture notes which are there. So they will be there.
Recorded lectures as well as quick revision, both lectures.
Right. Yeah. And then when we come on to the live sessions which are being asked from the mission programs, so there will be two types of PDFs, unannotated.
Yes.
And annotated.
Yeah.
So when there is unannotated PDFs, these unannotated PDFs will be given to you with our Telegram groups for you to download them. So that's the theme on which the teacher is going to take the live lectures.
Yes.
And the annotated PDFs will be put in the app for you to refer what the teacher has actually taught. This is what they give.
Definitely.
So in-app notes will be this, right? Along with that,
there will be physical notes.
Yeah. So we are having the books, the 19 books or the 19 notes, which are based on the lecture based. So this also is a part of pre-booking offer, but with a separate price. We will talk about that in a short while. All right. So these are complete 19 subjects notes on which is based on the teachers' lectures and being made by them.
Video lectures.
Yeah. Main video lectures, right?
Along with that, QBank, the super good QBank.
And this year, the QBank is going to be the next level because we've made sure to improve it. We have made sure to let you know what is the answer and to let you know why the other options are not the answer. So it's updated, upgraded. It is actually abreasted by all the 19 faculties of the subject specialists, along with the good brains, with the feedbacks from the toppers. We have tried to get everything together so that you get nothing less than the best. This is what we give in the QBank. One more thing apart from Mission Gogabhai that Cerebellum is known for is the grand test, which were live discussions.
Yes. So there will be grand test obviously, plus there will be some of the grand test which will be discussed live.
All right. So as the time goes by, you will see that this is where we'll become more and more stronger, clearer, and support you throughout, and will help you with the better analytics so that you know where are you faltering, right? There will be some of the programs in the app like the motivational sessions, the guidance sessions. Every exam that happens, Cerebellum has been conducting on the same day, the live sessions on YouTube. These things, they obviously will be there by Cerebellum throughout the year. This is what we'll be giving.
Definitely.
Right. So the big question now.
Plus the mentorship.
Yeah, mentorship, because that's I think that's going to be in multiple prongs. One is on YouTube, which is for everybody. One is the official Telegram channel where we teachers are there. Along with that, I'm sure that whenever you require, we'll be conducting in-app sessions to help you out. Yes. All right, right. And then comes the big question. Let's hear from Goga Bhai. What have you priced it and why such a price?
So just like last year, because we have got a lot of students queries and they were highly appreciating that they could afford because they could take early. So we are on that similar lines. We are keeping the price very, very low this year also. So all of these things will be available for 21,000 for 1 year. So 1 year plan, which will include everything: the live lectures, mission program, recorded lectures, quick revision videos, BTR, everything. So that will be 21,000 without notes.
Right. And if you want to take the notes?
So notes, actual cost will be 7,500, but whosoever is pre-booking them, so they will need to pay 6,000 extra for the notes. So this is for 1 year plan.
So if you will have only two options in pre-booking, one is for the plan, the premium plan, and the second is premium plan combined with the complete notes.
Yeah.
So for the first year, if you want to click it for the 1 year, you'll get 21,000 for the premium plan. And if you want the books along with it, it is 21,000 plus 6, that is 27,000 rupees. But if I want to go on to 2-year plan, 3-year plan, 4-year plan, and so on, what's the offer, sir? Because I understand books are going to be constant at 6,000 rupees,
books
right?
Will be constant, yeah.
Right.
So 2-year plan will be 26,000. 3-year will be 31. 4-year will be 36. And 5-year will be 41.
So you are actually giving an option. So before you select, be careful, because just for 5,000 rupees, you'll be able to upgrade to 1 more year.
Yeah.
Which obviously when you renew or go for the next year, you pay a huge amount. So friends, just to tell you again, we are going to launch on 15th of January, the Mission NEET PG / INICET 2.0, the premium plan of Cerebellum. It is a one-time offer, the pre-launch offer for all of you to avail. The booking are going to start very soon. Enroll to our YouTube channel. You will get notification in the app. Download the app if you have not done that, so that you don't miss this, because this is never going to come back. Recorded lectures, the quick revision videos, the recorded BTR starts on 15 Jan, everything presented to you. 15 Jan, we start with the live mission classes. When the exams come, we guide you with revision. We help you with BTR sessions integrated with it. When you want the notes, the complete notes and the quick revision notes are already launched. The unannotated PDFs of the live lectures will be provided for download. The annotated PDF will be in the app. We have the upgraded, one of the best QBank, live, and normal grand test. The mentorship by the teachers who actually have been harnessing the PGME entrance world and have produced more than 1.5 to 2 decades of fantastic experience for the students, with the toppers and the students who have done well for last 2 decades beautifully through their own hands. And Goga Bhai is a perfect example, who almost started the first PGME book. He started his own individual classes, and he's the teacher who's been taking care of the students for almost 2 decades now. Goga Bhai.
So definitely, and this plan will be activated on 15th of January. Mission classes will also start on 15th January. So your app will also be activated on 15th of January. And now, Dr. Purv, I have one query that there are currently also some plans going on. So what will be the difference if I'm a student, whether I should subscribe for the 2.0 version or for the current version?
Right. Current version, your plan starts today. So you can study for next 1.5 months. The schedule is already going on. So it is your need based how you want to go about. But for the people who are preparing for the entrance exams of 2024, it is best to go for the 2.0 plan, so that you start your preparation on 15th of January along with the live lectures going on. Obviously, when that plan goes on, since we have longer duration of time, because the mission program was started in mid of 2023, but here we are starting right at the beginning of 2024. So we are going to have more number of hours, more detailed discussions, more sessions of revision. So we are more planned and structured because we have been thinking about it, all 19 of us. And specifically, there are individuals like Dr. Gobind sir, Dr. Vivek sir, Dr. Sparsh sir, Dr. Praveen sir, and Zainab ma'am thinking about how to build this up, along with the feedback of Dr. Shrikant Verma sir, along with the feedback of Pooja ma'am, Smiley ma'am, going on to thinking about what does Dr. Priyanka feel, right? Feedback from the clinical teachers, because that's what is going to rule the entrance exams in the future, like the Dr. Praneeth sir, like Dr. Gaurav Nagpal sir, going on to the man who has been teaching you for long hours in the night, Dr. Dilip, Dr. Amrit, Rana ma'am, and the heartthrob Anand Bhatia, right? Dr. Srinivas, who's been taking care of our Telegram group and talking to the students very often, and a teacher who can make you dance on the beats, Dr. Janvi. And this is what we have been talking to make it enriched with everybody's feedback. And if I have missed anybody's name, like, please forgive me, but I know they won't. So this is what is, because you won't forgive yourself if you miss this offer, because this is one time offer, it's not going to come back. We are being very open hearted on this, that take it, we are going to be there with you till the NEET exam.
So basically, Dr. Purv missed Dr. Smiley and our forensic teacher, Dr. Atul.
Yeah, Dr. Atul is my batchmate, and I many times forget him, and many times in my videos you will see his name will be shouted loud, because wo dur se alag se some person in my editing team will add it. So that is always I miss it. So Atul, obviously I'm sorry, but all 19 teachers have thought about it, so give you nothing less than the best.
So what are you waiting for? You should immediately, whenever the offer starts, you should subscribe to that. And plus one more query. Are we not thinking about FMG students?
Oh, obviously, yes, we are. But I think let's let them just attempt the January exam.
Yes.
Also, I'm having a session for our dear FMG students on next Monday, where I'm going to talk about how to take it easy while preparing for entrance exam. This is specific session for FMG students on my Monday motivation. We can never forget our dear FMG students. So obviously there'll be plans for them. But right now this announcement is pertaining to NEET PG and INICET only. Right.
So that's it. All the best, guys. And if you have any queries, do feel free to ask us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.